Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Hope Road, driving from Halfway Tree to Ligoni. We are on Hope Road and we are at the intersection with Waterloo Road and Trafalgar Road. If we go straight, we stay on Hope Road. Turn left, we go on Waterloo Road, and Waterloo Road will take us towards South Avenue and Upper Waterloo Road. Turn right, that's Trafalgar Road, and Trafalgar Road will take us into New Kingston and take us to the intersection with Knutsford Boulevard. And if we continue, we go down to the intersection with Lady Musgrave Road. But we're going to stay on Hope Road and head up to Ligoni. So on the left is Devon House, on the right is Abbey Court. Now directly on our left is a new building being built, and that's going to be the home of Burger King. And a plaza is being built over there as well. So on the left, that is Devon House now. And it's a historic house. It's one of those houses built probably 400 years ago. It's one of those great houses. However, a subscriber stated that it was not a slave plantation. It was the home of a black millionaire in Jamaica. So I'm not 100% sure, but it's a great house and it's a heritage site. It says Devon House built 1881. So on the right now is the Andrews Memorial Hospital, and you have the Andrews Church over there. Okay, this intersection just looks very chaotic. How can we be going straight and a car be turning left? That car should not have turned left if we have the green. Alright, on the left is a new building being built. It's going to be that's actually where Usain Bolt is building his second building. It's going to be also the Usain Bolt building. And a BPO or a call center is going to go over there. On the left is Liberty Academy. On the right is SSL, a financial company. You have Domino's on the right. On the left is the Police Officers Club. There you can see the sign. And they have a field where a lot of people go walking. Police Officers Club. And then over here on the left now is the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center. Or is it Danny Williams Entertainment Center? And then over here now we have this very nice lawn is Jamaica House. It used to be the office for the Prime Minister, but he has his own facility behind Jamaica House, the office of the Prime Minister. But that is Jamaica House. And then beside Jamaica House you have King's House, which is the official residence of the Governor General of Jamaica. So all of this land over here on the left is basically government land, and it's prime real estate in Jamaica. Okay, this intersection now, you turn left, you go on to East King's House Road. Turn right, you go on to Lady Musgrave Road. And it was recently announced that they're going to be planting trees along Lady Musgrave Road and East King's House Road. So we're continuing straight and heading towards Ligoni. Alright, so this is now the Ligony area. On the left is the Sovereign Plaza, and we straight ahead is the intersection with Old Hope Road and Barbican Road. So if we turn left at the intersection, we go on to Barbican Road. If we go straight, we go on to Old Hope Road, and if we turn right, we also go on to Old Hope Road. If we go straight, we take Old Hope Road up to Papine. If we turn right, we take Old Hope Road down to Crossroads. And if we turn left, we take Barbican Road to the Barbican area. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.